Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open online bank account on IndusInd Bank. First, keep these things in ready: your Aadhaar card, PAN card, Aadhaar link, mobile number, and a good internet connection. Open the App Store on your iPhone and download the IndusInd Bank app, usually called Indus Mobile. After that, open the app and tap on Open Account or New Customer. After that, enter your mobile number and verify it using your OTP sent to your phone. Now choose the type of account you want, such as saving account, salary account. Then tap Continue. Enter your PAN card details and confirm using your date of birth. After that, complete Aadhaar verification. You will receive an OTP to the phone number linked to your Aadhaar. Enter the OTP to verify. Next step is to complete KYC verification. This is usually done through a video KYC where you will show your PAN card, take a selfie, follow on-screen steps. Once verification is completed, your IndusInd Bank account will be opened. You will receive your account number or the virtual debit card, access to mobile banking. Your physical debit card and checkbook will be delivered to your address. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.